bro? Hello. So I took out my cluster. I took the blue pin out, just remove this little cap. So I think for my year, it should be pin number 3. So on this connector, it has 26 wires. So on pin 3, which is I think right here, one has a connector, 2 and 3 doesn't have a connector, and then 4 side has a connector. So I think this one has a connector, 2, 3 does not have any pin. See, it's missing right here. That's number 3. 4 has a connector. So I think what we're trying to do is, so maybe add a pin here, right? Correct? Add a pin here directly from ECU pin number 10. Pin number 10 from the GM ECU, and then directly run a wire to this, right? Is that correct? Got my tachometer working on the LS swap. It's crazy, bro. So apparently what happens is I ran directly from a GM pin 10, directly ran a wire from the white wire to the back of this blue pin on the cluster. Pin number 3 was empty, since these pins use CAN signal on the 2001. So that pin number 3, slot number 3 on the blue IKE pin was empty. So I just added a pin and then ran a wire directly from the GM ECU. Boom, it's working. I will configure the settings to make sure it's 8-cylinder, 4-cylinder, see how it reads, but looks like it's good. I'm gonna clean up this wire and just rough draft.